ready to unlock the secrets of real estate investing with killer property comparisons. Let's dive into Propstream and master the art of finding comparables. First, log into your Propstream account if you don't have one. You can find a link in the description below once you're in. Enter the address of the property you want to analyze in the search bar. Now, on the property details page, scroll down to the comparables section, usually found on the left-hand side or in a tab near the top. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. Use the filters to narrow down your comps. Start by selecting the same property type. As your subject property, adjust the radius to find properties within a reasonable distance, usually within a mile for urban areas. And further for rural ones, adjust the square footage to about 20% more or less. I recommend using a sale date within the last 612 months. Propstream will then generate a list of properties that match your criteria now. Carefully analyze each comp. Look at factors like lot size, condition, renovations, and any unique features that might affect its value. Dig deeper by clicking on each comparable to see more details, like the sale price, mortgage information, and property photos. Use all of this information to make informed decisions about the value of your property.